Is there? And if you hear this on the go.
Good morning and welcome back to Northern Heat Barbecue, where we take as much random metal and shit as we can get, weld it together, and hope it works and we can cook shit with it. See where we're at. So, sorry for the absence this last week. I was down and out. Had a bit of a fever, but we're back to it today. I'm gonna show you a bit of where we're at and where we're gonna be going with everything. So, as you can see here, we got the handle welded on. It's pretty straight enough. It's pretty good. The welds turned out okay. Still need to go over them with the wire brush and maybe sand them down a little bit. But yeah. Solid. And we measured off and drilled the holes for the accessory hook. Ah, shit. I missed two of them. We drilled almost all of the holes for the accessory hooks. There's gonna be 7 of them on there. They're just these little household hooks from Canadian Tire. We mounted there. Enough space in between them so that your tools won't smack each other around, and it'll just be a nice comfy fit for all your tools that you want to hang there. We also got a cowbell that I plan to clean up, and then we're going to use it as a dinner bell somewhere on here. I'm not quite sure where yet. If you guys have any ideas of where I could put it, let me know, because I don't know where I want to put it. I have this piece of metal that I would maybe use as the hanger somewhere. Hang it off of a chain, but we'll see. Not sure yet. But we took the stainless steel door out, the front door, so we can paint that once the paint gets here. The rest of it, we took these stripping discs and stripped it down. There's still a little bit of old paint and rust left over, but we're gonna give it a once over yet once we get to that point, so that she's fully ready. Give her an acetone wipe and then start painting. I was also thinking of adding a bit of a meat paper, like a roll rack here that would fold out, and then you can put your meat wrap roll on there, and then you can roll it out over your food here if you want. I mean, it's not much of a smoker build, so I don't see the need for meat wrap being a whole lot necessary, but we'll see. Just a small addition that might be nice for some people. Also, I'm gonna show you guys the new casters that came in. I'm not 100% happy with them because I didn't do the best research before ordering them. But they will work nicely for what this build is, but I will not be getting these again. But they are ratcheting casters. So they have this ratcheting arm on here that pushes out the pad and also sucks the pad in, and then you can have it either stationary or on wheels rolling around. They don't have a lock on the wheels, and that's what I don't like about them. Because for it to be stationary, then yeah, it just you have to have them ratcheted out for them to be stationary. But that's my bad. We will fix that on the next one. But they will work pretty good for this build, I think. At the end of the video, I'll also add a rendering of what the final product should look like, or what we're shooting for at least. The colors will probably be a little bit darker and more, a lot brighter in the rendering, but it'll be close, very close. So at the end of the video, you will see. We'll also be getting some galvanized sheets from Canadian Tire. And then those will be the side panels on each side. But I need to add a 2x2 up here and a 2x2 in here so that it closes on the bottom and top when I put the panel on there. It was a bit of a mistake on my end, but it's an easy fix, so not too worried about that. I might get logos cut into those sheets or something, act as airflow and advertising, so I think that'd be kind of cool. We'll cut some vents into the side or the back panel as well for airflow. But yeah, that's about it that we have for today. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.